Chapter 2, Equipment Orientation. It is important to fully understand the control locations and the features of your SDL equipment before use. Key lock safety switch, pulse counter reset, system status, intensity selector, pulse frequency, IPL status, handpiece jack, protective eyewear, flash tube temperature readout. To prepare for use, insert safety key and turn right. The ideal setting for epilation is pulse setting 3 and intensity setting 2. Be sure to reset your pulse counter before administering treatment. Plug your handpiece into the driver unit as shown. Your pulse light instrument is now live, and extreme care must be exercised while handling this instrument.